A cooking oil crisis? Well, it turns out that canola and soybean are very sensitive to climate change. Up in Canada, where you've got a lot of canola crops, the area is becoming warmer and warmer, and the amount of water that's falling on those crops is significantly reduced. Very similar to the soybean crops in South America. There's also a lot of crops which have been wiped out by floods and severe weather events due to climate change. So this is yet another example of the way our economies are impacted by climate change, and that it's not free if we don't decide not to do something about climate change. It's going to have direct impacts on our economy. It's going to have direct impacts on the world's economy. So it's time to act on climate change, and it's time to invest in areas where it's more sustainable food crops that we're taking out of the ground and more sustainable farming methods.